Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah is the most beneficial and the most merciful. Today's topic of our discussion is possessive pronoun. The content of this lecture include definition, examples and practice questions. The first part of our discussion is definition. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that are used to indicate the possession or ownership of something or someone by something or someone else. For example, mine, yours, your, hers, ours, his, its and theirs. For subject I, we use my and mine. For subject you, we use your and yours. For subject he, we use his. For subject she, we use her and hers. For subject it, we use its. For subject we use our and ours. For subject they, we use their and theirs as a possessive pronoun. Her is used to indicate something a girl or woman owns or have. Its is used to indicate something a thing or an animal has. His is used to indicate something a boy or a man owns. Our and ours are used to indicate something several persons, things or animal have. The speaker are included. Their and theirs is used to indicate something several persons have. The speaker will not be included here. My and mine are used to indicate something that you own. Your and yours are used to indicate something the person or person you are talking to own or have. Let us practice some questions. That is her book. Here her is used to show possession of subject she. This bicycle is mine or this is my bicycle. Let's practice a question. Sisters are playing in blank room. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronoun. Here their pronoun will be put in this blank. Sisters are playing in their rooms. Let us practice another questions. I lost blank keys. I lost my keys. This is our book. Your and yours and my and mine are already discussed where we will use it. Here are some examples. This book is mine. Here mine is a possessive pronoun. Is this pencil yours? This jacket is his. Here his and yours are the possessive pronouns. The bag is hers. The house is ours and the car is theirs. In this way we use possessive pronouns. The most common possessive pronouns are listed in the table. Match each one to the subject pronoun it can stand for. Question number 1. Which two possessive pronouns are used for I? We use my and mine to show the possession. Practice all these questions to judge what you have learned in this lecture. I hope so that you will be able to learn